Welcome to Learn Linux. Please like, share, and subscribe and support us for more such informative videos on Linux.
Hello system admins. Welcome to Learn Linux. Today we will see how to download and install Rhel 8 on Oracle VirtualBox. So for that, first of all we need to open Chrome, and in search bar we need to type and search VirtualBox download for Windows. Further, there is a link called download. Just click on it. You will see this window from virtualbox.org. Further, you need to click on Windows hosts. Once you click on it, just wait till download. Once it is download, just double click on it, and here you can see that installation wizard is started. Just click on next. Again click on next. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on install. Click on finish. Once installation is done, you can see here is a panel which welcomes you on VirtualBox. The next step is we need to download ISO image from Red Hat Enterprise Linux website. For that, you need to search in Chrome search bar, download Rhel 8 ISO file. There is a first link from developers.redhat.com for Red Hat Enterprise Linux download. Click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down little bit. Here is various version, latest version which is 9.1, 8.7. Right now we are downloading 8.7 for 64-bit architecture machine. Just click on download. Once you click on it, the download is started. Once it is downloaded, come back to VirtualBox and click on new. Here first name you need to give for your virtual machine, the folder where you wanted to install or keep files of all your virtual machines. You need to select that path. The third one is for ISO image. Here you need to select ISO image which we recently downloaded. Click on skip unattended installation and click on next. Now you can see hardware details for your virtual machine, what size of memory you wanted to give for your virtual machine, and another one is how much CPU you wanted to give for your virtual machine. So here for memory I am selecting default 2048 MB, which is nothing but 2 GB, and CPU is 1. Click on next. Here you need to mention virtual hard disk size for your virtual machine. Default size is 20 GB and I'm going with default. Just click on next, and if you want you can customize it also. Click on next. Here you can see the summary, what name you had given to your virtual machine, your machine folder where your virtual machine's file is stored, your ISO image path from where the ISO image is selected, the guest OS type which is nothing but Red Hat 64-bit, your disk size and your memory size, CPU, processor, etc. Just click on finish. Once you click on finish, click on start. Here you can see one small window is pop up. Just maximize it, and from here you can begin the installation process. You can see the cursor. Just take cursor inside that window and click. It means the cursor goes inside this window. Now just press up and down arrow keys. You can see that the highlighted one is Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Just press enter over it and installation is taking place. Just wait for a couple of minutes, and sometimes if you need cursor back to do some activities, you can just press Ctrl on your keyboard and your cursor get out. And again, if you wanted to go inside, again take cursor on that window and click for it. Here you can see that the Anaconda is starting your installation. Right now, we need to give some questions answer for proceed the installation, like your language, which you would be prefer. I am selecting English. Keyboard, I am selecting English United States. Now I am clicking continue. Then next click on installation destination. Here you can see that the 20 GB of hard disk which you had selected, and this default is automatic. So we don't want automatic over here. We go with custom. Click on it. Click on done. Here you can see the storage type is LVM. We don't want LVM right now. We will go with standard partition. So select standard partition and click on plus. So you can see the option called mount point. Here you need to select forward slash. The desired capacity I'm giving here is 15,600 and click on mount point, add mount point. You can see here the slash is created. Now again click on plus, mount point. Here we can select the swap. The desired capacity for it I'm giving here is 4,500. Click on add mount point. The swap is, we can say, emergency purpose memory. Whenever the shortage of RAM occurred, that time swap get activated. So we'll proceed further. Click on done. Click on accept changes. Now click on time and date. Click on India. From here where your belongings to, you can select any region over here. I'm selecting India. So it is Asia is the region and city is Kolkata. Click on done. And or else you can see over here is 24 hours pattern and 12 hours pattern. So with 24 hours you can see 24 hours without AM PM, and if you want 12 hours pattern you can select AM PM. So I preferred AM PM and click on done. Once it is done, click on root password in user settings. Enter your root password here. Click on done. Again click on done. Once it is done, click on begin installation. The installation takes 15 to 20 minutes. So just wait for a while and we will back soon after 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, here you can see that the option called reboot system. Click on it. Your system will be get rebooted, and here you can see that the 8.5 Red Hat Enterprise Linux is started. There is one more thing we need to configure for license. Just click on it and click checkbox that I accept the license agreement. Click on done. Click on Finish Configuration. You don't need to bother about it. Just go with the process and wait for a while, and here it is. Click on Next and click on Location Service. I prefer to be off. Click on Next. Give here your username, accept and root. I am giving here Learn Linux. Click on Next. I am setting password over here. Click on Next and start using. You can see here we had installed our RHEL 8 successfully over the system. For just cross verification, we will opening the terminal and we'll see what RHEL version we had installed. So for that, we are running commands like cat /etc/redhat-release. Press enter. Here you can see that Red Hat Enterprise Linux release 8.5. In your case, it could be 8.7, 6, which version you had downloaded from the site. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for the watching. We'll meet in next session.